Hello, hello, how are you? Well, I hope you're fine. Well, now we are going to check a concept of the verb be in the form of affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Yes? But when we finish this section, well, you could make some exercise, but it's important that you be able to manage this concept of affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms in greetings and also presentations, farewells in formal and informal context, and for exchanging personal information in outside the classroom. Okay. Well, first we are going to check this concept. Okay. We have to answer these questions. Yes. What's your name? What's your mother's name? What's your father's occupation? And what's your nationality? Okay. Well, the verb to be is one of the most commonly used verbs in English. Um, with the verb be will enable you to create simple sentences to communicate. Okay. We have this verb be to talk about permanent or temporary qualities or states, nationalities, a job or profession, age, relationships, place, and time. Okay, let's see these examples. Yes, Sarah, let me make a zoom. Okay, okay. Sarah is 34 years old. Okay, this is the verb be. The second sentence is my classroom is not enormous. This is a negative. Conscious. Well, we are happy. This is the verb are. It is cold today. Um, Stephen is not married. Are you an engineer? They are not Russian. Okay. You see the next table. We can see the verb, the simple form of the verb to be. Yes. We have I am Susan, and the contraction is I'm Susan. Yes, I'm a younger mother. I'm a young mother. Mhm. With you, you're an, you're an, you're a teacher. You're a teacher. He, he is Patrick. He's Patrick. He's a student. He's a student. She's Marianne. She's Marianne. She is a model. She's a model. It is a laptop. It's a laptop. It is a dog. It's a dog. Um, with we are friends. Okay, we are friends. We are twins. We're twins. You know what those twins mean? This is example. Yes, because both uh, are similar, and in this case, you're they are twins. Okay. You you are soccer players. You're soccer players. Mhm. You are students. You're students. And finally, they they are friends. They're friends. They are teachers. They're teachers. Right? And we have this table that I mentioned previously. When you have the affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. Yes, and you have to learn to use contractions also. Okay, in the full form we have I am, I'm. Yes, you are, you're, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, we are, we're, you are, you're, they are, they are. Okay, and in the negative, I'm not, I'm not. You are not, you're not, he's not, he's not, she's not, she's not, it is not, it's not, we are not, we're not, you're not, you're not, there are not, they're not. An interrogative, am I, are you, is she, sorry, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, and are they? Yes. Well, I invite you to check these professions, yes, to improve your vocabulary. In this case, you can make click the profession and it appears um, a description. Okay. For example, well, in the case you don't know what's the profession meaning, maybe with this description it can be clear. Accountant, you know what accountant make or do? Is a person that keeps track of financial information of an enterprise or individual information of of the incomes in this case. Yes, and you have to pay taxes. Then you have to ask an accountant how many taxes you have to pay. Okay. Another example in the next column. Um, Dentist, yes, you know what the dentists make do. A person qualified to treat the disease and conditions that affect teeth. Teeth. Yes, because teeth is the plural of tooth. Yes. In this case, um, it could be hairdresser is a person who cuts and styles hair as an occupation. Okay. In this case, mechanic is a person whose occupation is repairing and maintaining automobiles. Okay. Scientist is a person who is studying or has expert knowledge of one or more of the natural and physical science. And finally, but it could be taxi driver. It's a person who drives a taxi. Well, we have finished the class of today, and I invite you to maybe to check the practice 2 and the practice 3, and tell me how you improve your English today. See you.